How to upload Omnipod 5 data sync with Glooko or other platforms. How to upload Omnipod 5 data. Step 1. Linking Omnipod 5 to Glooko. If you didn't connect your Omnipod 5 to Glooko during the initial setup, you can do so later via PodderCentral. Log in to PodderCentral at insuleted.com using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to Diabetes Data, or Manage My Data from the homepage toolbar. Click Link next to Glooko to initiate the connection. You'll be redirected to Glooko to either create a new account or link an existing one. Once linked, your Omnipod 5 will automatically sync data to Glooko. Note: this linking process cannot be performed through the PodderCentral mobile app. Step 2. Syncing data with Glooko. After linking, your Omnipod 5 will sync data to Glooko automatically once daily, even if you don't log into Glooko. Each time you log into your Glooko account with a 30-minute delay. Ensure your Omnipod 5 device has an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection to facilitate data uploads. Step 3. Sharing data with your healthcare provider. To allow your healthcare provider to access your Omnipod 5 data, log into your Glooko account at my.glooko.com. Click on your initials in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down to the Account section and click plus Add New Code. Enter the ProConnect code provided by your healthcare provider and click Submit. Step 4. Using the Glooko mobile app. Download the app for iOS, App Store for Android, Google Play Store. Log in with your Glooko credentials. Tap Sync from the home screen and select Omnipod 5 Automated Insulin Delivery System. Follow the prompts to complete the sync. Once synced, you can view trends, generate reports, and share data directly from the app.